Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can fix this OBS error, which is starting the output failed. Please check the log for details. Now I'm going to be showing a very simple way on how you can fix this. In fact, I'm going to be showing you like 2 methods on how you can fix this. Now first you want to go to your OBS, okay? Now after that you want to click on file and then click on settings, okay? So when you are here you want to click on output, okay? So after you click on output, you will see here the output mode in the top. It says here simple. You want to change it to advanced, okay? Just click on it. It's not allowing me to click on it because I am using right now OBS to record. So just click on it and then select advanced, and then after that you want to click on apply, okay? So after you click on apply, see if the problem is solved or not, okay? So another way is you want to go back again to output, and then after that you want to select here, if it says here hardware next to video encoder, you want to change it to software, okay? And then click on apply. But if it's software, you see here software in the video encoder here, you want to change it to hardware. So just do the opposite of what you see here. If you see hardware, change it to software, okay? And then click on apply. Okay, so another way is you want to check if you can download this, okay? You want to try to download the version 27, okay? Just search for download version 27 OBS and then try to download it from the website, okay? So that way you will be able to fix this problem. If you cannot download the OBS 27, you can always like remove or remove the whole program, the OBS program from your laptop and then download it again. That may solve the problem. So if this doesn't solve the problem, this may have to do with your drivers. So make sure you update your drivers to the latest versions, okay? Okay, so make sure you close first the OBS and then open it again. I hope this tutorial helped you, okay? If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. Just let me know in the comments. I try to reply to everyone, and see you in the next tutorial.